In this video, we are going to discuss about problem definition. In the previous video, we saw how we should gather correct requirement from our client so that we can define our problem correctly. Problem definition should unambiguously state what problem or problems need to be solved. Unambiguously. That means it should state very clearly what the problem is and how it can be solved, or how the client expects you to solve it. There should be no vagueness about the problem. Having a clear problem statement is very necessary. Why? Because it helps you in defining the project scope correctly. It keeps the team focused. They know at every point of time what they are supposed to do, what their end goal is. It keeps the project also on track because your team is focused, they know what is expected of them, so the project will also be on track. There will be no delay. It will validate that desired outcome was achieved at the end of the project. If you have defined the problem correctly, after you have finished with the software development process, you can just validate with this initial problem that yes, this problem was there. Have I been able to solve that problem? Yes, I have been able to solve that problem. So for that validation, a correct problem definition is essential. In this video, we have seen how correct problem definition is necessary for a successful software development. In the next video, we are going to see how we can identify a correct solution.